why SPDC will save your business. At the moment, especially in real estate, there are two camps. One camp says they're too busy, and the other camp is spending an absolute ton of money making epic house tour movies. Take a moment. Think about it. Which camp are you in? Too busy or too expensive to be making videos? I'll wait. Interestingly, some of you are also in the too scared of what others will think about your camp. That's an entirely different video for another day, but I will make it. So what we have here are no videos at all camp, unless the client pays for it, and we need to make a massive video with a massive budget to match the massive result we want to get on this home. Here's why these approaches are sad and bad. The not making video camp is sad because nearly anyone can see where the real estate industry is going. It's all about social and it's all about video. Sure, a video tour will never replace walking the home yourself, just like a social media post will never replace a handshake. But when the majority of human attention is focused on a device, as a business, you better be there or sadly, you're nowhere. In the other camp, we have these Hollywood-style productions for house tours, all polished and color-graded and smooth with hip music and stabilizers. You just glide through the front door, down the hallway like you're on some sort of magic carpet. Stop for a second. Come back to me here and think. Do these types of videos remind you of anything? Yeah, that's right. They're like ads. They look, feel, and smell like ads. And how have humans conditioned themselves to respond to ads? We move away. We close our minds. The solution to all of this, as mentioned right at the start of this video, is SPDC. Or in other words, strategic, personality-driven communications. This is where by being you in a strategic manner, but still you, by adopting this approach, you produce and post video content that doesn't scare people away. In fact, it attracts them. And they don't cost you a fortune to make. The key is they appear random, but they are anything but. And when you nail them, people start leaning into you more. And they start forming a relationship with you. And from there, a trust builds. And as a result, they're more likely to do business with you. How do I know? Because on my mission to save the internet by helping 1 million people create real, relevant, and relatable content, I see it working every day. And I know it can work for you. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.